Hello, in this video, we will present a solution to the 8 queens problem. The 8 queens problem is to place a queen on each row of the chessboard. Chessboard is 8 by 8, so that no two queens can attack each other. So here is this is the 8 by 8 chessboard. You're going to place the queens on each row. So let's look at this is the example here. This output, this is the one placement here. So this is the position for queen. And here now you see you cannot attack. So this is the column, there's only one here, and the diagonal is there's only one queen. So every row you have one queen. Every column you have one queen. Every diagonal you have one queen, and every diagonal. So the major diagonal or subdiagonal, so all this is one queen. So how you do this? And let's look at this is the animation. So how we go with all this is you can look at this animation here. You're gonna place this queen right here, and the next row you can put it here, and now you can put it here. So this is how you're gonna see this is the way you're gonna find a location for the queen. So we're going to write this program using Recursion. What we're going to do is this is search. We're going to search for the position for the queen. So the search begins right here. When you do a search here, you do it recursively. So we are going to look at this here is for this row, if the row is the equal to number of queens, so this the index, that means everything is done. You already searched and find the position for all the 8 queens. So this is the index for the row index starting from 0. So the last one is 7. If you get to the 8, means everything is done for this part. So that is right here. Return true. So this search is successful. Else, we're going to look at this is for this, all the columns now. We are at this row now for all the columns. See if this is valid. So we're going to put this, place this at this column, the queen at this row, and this is the column number. So this is the queen's bracket 0. So this is the position right here at this time. Queen's bracket 1. This is the position right here is 2. Queen's bracket 2. This is the position. This is the queens. So this queens right here. We have this queens now. So we're going to invoke this is valid. So if you put this column here, is this valid? So if there's anything, the same column and the diagonal. So look at this is valid. Is valid is going to check 3 things here. So this is the diagram for is valid. So there's 3 things. So now you put the queen right here in this column. So you're going to check anything here if there's conflict. If there's conflict on the diagonal, and this is the subdiagonal. This is the major diagonal, and this is the subdiagonal. There's 2 diagonals here. Going to left, up left and up to right diagonal. So we're gonna back here now, look at this, is valid. If this valid, and now we're gonna continue to search the next one, search row plus 1. See if we can find a solution. So if not, and we're gonna do this column is for every column. So this is column 0 and look for the next one. So this is here. Now, as soon as you find one, and that's return true. If you have done all this, but you did not find anything for this search here, that's this search return false. So here, we're gonna start from this. This is the search here. You're gonna starting search from this row is 0. See if you can find a placement for the 8 queens in the board. So please see this is valid at this position, row and column. So you look all, then check the same column. And for this row here, from 0 all up to the row, see this is how you check all the columns, the index here. Everything here in this column from beginning up to this, before this row. So you're gonna check everything here. And this is the upper right diagonal, this is upper left diagonal. It's all, this is the condition to check it. Return false if there's a conflict. So this is the idea when you perform a search. You're gonna start from here. So I'm gonna find this column right here if there's a solution for this. If not, we're gonna move this to the next position, see if you can find a solution. So that's how this is done using recursion. That is all for this 8 queens problem. See you on the next video.